futhi bathi mafeni, it falls under Ward 1. And the unfortunate part, kaningi mabayenza ama-program bazala eKhatsima, but not forgetting them. Now they are still part of Ward 2. It's just that the majority voters are alive.
Njeleke about the unique challenges of Ward 1, because Indawo as Ward 1 may be different from Ward 3, for example. For where in territory yakho Ward 1, what would you say are the unique challenges?
The unique challenge kaningi ngihlangana ne-challenge when it comes ebasheni, the youth, we understand. But into engiyithandayo will always engage ne-youth ukuthi there's a program ngayenza muthu ubua le nna ke bue le wena as counselor, ungitshela inkinga yakho as umusha, and then I'm ngitsheleng ama-problems wami ukuthi why ngingafinyeli lesi, why ngikhona ukuthi ngifinyele lesi. And I always tell them ukuthi if you don't talk to me, if you don't come to me, I won't know or understand what is your challenges. But remember, basically ngiyazi ngoba I'm a leader. I know ukuthi unemployment is very high endaweni. Whether you bring a project or what, you will never satisfy all the people. But the only thing challenge for that unique, the most important thing ukuthi they must know ukuthi we are trying our level best at the government ukuthi bathole imisebenzi. That is why I was encouraging even the high school youth mabayenza ama-program ba-encourage abantwana ukuthi they must lead them to mine industry. Maybe bayenza i-geography, geologist ukuthi bangasokoli because we are surrounded in tourism, i-mine industry. That is why i-RLM ne-government babona ukuthi it's very important to bring a university e-mining la eRustenburg, and we gladly sibonga ne-RBA, which is Royal Bafokeng, that gives us the land ukuthi that university must be built.